Open. Kita.
Whoa!
Ganda, di ba?
It's like engraved.
Like it? So we decided to give something to our kids that will totally touch their hearts. Something sentimental that they can keep forever. Based on their reaction, I believe we did it. I got this from Nemosign. Nemosign specializes in personalized gifts from jewelry, apparel, and home decor. With their variety of products, they can turn your special memories into something you can wear or aesthetically display. I got this necklace nga engraved with your family photo for Ate Jet, and this engraved photo lamp for Audrey. If you also want to give your loved ones something meaningful, order with Nemosign too. You can check their website or you may also send a message through their socials for inquiries.